Downloading StopSign internet security software to protect your computer is easy. Simply click on the Download button. A window will open asking if you want to run the file. Click on Run. Click on Continue, which will also confirm that you are agreeing to the End User License Agreement. You can read the agreement by clicking here first. You'll see that StopSign is now downloading. The progress bar will show you the progress of the download. You'll see each feature of the StopSign software that is being installed. Okay, StopSign is now installed, and it will automatically begin doing a scan of my computer for viruses and spyware. There's nothing more I need to do at this point. The scanner will complete on its own, but it may take a while. What's great about StopSign is it allows me to do other things while it works in the background. I can simply minimize the screen and check my email, even browse the internet. When the scan is finished, the results page will appear. It's that easy. Thanks for installing StopSign, virus and spyware protection.